These are amazing cheap places to travel when you're young and broke. Number 1. Phuket, Thailand, $50 a day. Phuket offers luxurious resorts, vibrant shopping, and diverse water activities. With a well-developed infrastructure, including an international airport, the island caters to various preferences, featuring world-class spas, golf courses, and lively nightlife. Some notable tourist spots on the island are Patong Beach, Big Buddha, Phi Phi Island, Phang Nga Bay, Old Phuket Town, Karan Viewpoint, Three Beaches Hill, Wat Chalong, Bangla Road, Kata Beach. Number 2. Bali, Indonesia, $50 a day. Bali, Indonesia, is a captivating island known for its luxurious beachfront resorts, vibrant markets, and diverse activities such as surfing and trekking. With its rich cultural heritage, Hindu temples, traditional dance performances, and a thriving culinary scene, Bali offers a perfect blend of relaxation and cultural exploration for you. There are some notable attractions include Ubud, Tanah Lot, Uluwatu Temple, Kuta Beach, Seminyak, Tegalalang Rice Terraces, Besaki Temple, Waterbomb Bali, Sacred Monkey Forest Sanctuary, Nusa Islands. Number 3. Angkor, Cambodia, $35 a day. Angkor in Cambodia is renowned for its ancient temples and archaeological wonders, representing the Khmer Empire's grandeur. Here are some notable tourist spots in the Angkor Archaeological Park: Angkor Wat Bayon Temple, Taprom, Angkor Thom Bante Srey Priakan Nyakbin Phnom Bakheng Beng Mealea Prerup. Number 4 is Le Méridien Bora Bora, French Polynesia, $200 per day. Le Méridien Bora Bora itself is a luxurious resort and destination. The island of Bora Bora in French Polynesia offers several attractive tourist spots and activities. There are some notable attractions near Le Méridien Bora Bora: Mount Otomanu, Matira Beach, Coral Gardens, shark and ray feeding excursions, Bora Bora Lagunarium, Matira Point, Fanui Bay, Bora Bora Turtle Center. Number 5. Peru. Sky Lodge Ollantaytambo, $400 per person. The Sky Lodge itself is an adventurous and unique accommodation experience. The surrounding area offers several tourist spots and attractions. Here are some notable places to visit near Sky Lodge in Ollantaytambo: Machu Picchu, Moray, Maris, Chinchero Pisac, Huaypo Lake, and many more.